Hello, welcome to the fifth video of the LearnDash setup series. In this video, I will share the steps for creating a course listing page. Hello everyone, I'm Shubhamjeet Kumar. I'm an affiliate marketer and coach. I'm the founder of shubhamjeetkumar.com where I post content about affiliate marketing. Until now, we have covered the steps for purchasing LearnDash, setting up the courses and memberships, and creating certificates. If you have not watched these videos, I will link the playlist in the I button. Okay, so let's begin this video. I will open my browser and illustrate the steps for creating the course listing page. Okay.
To add a new page, hover over pages and click add new. You can name the page whatever you want, but I will type course page for demonstration. Okay, and again change this to block editor. Okay, the course page is here, and now we'll add a course grid. The course grid will include all the courses that we created. Okay, to add a course grid, click plus and search course grid. Okay, so select this one, LearnDash course grid. Once you add this, all the courses that you have created will appear here. Okay, so if you're not happy with this template, you can change the skin to grid, masonry, or list, whatever you want. Okay, I'll keep it as grid and I'll try changing the color. Let's try the second grid. And the third grid. The third grid looks good. I want 3 columns and column width 250 pixels looks fine. Elements, okay, I want the thumbnail. I don't want the content. In fact, let's keep the content. I want the title, a clickable title, and I don't want a description. At the same time, I want to display the progress bar. Okay. Pagination, I'll keep infinite scrolling. This load more button will disappear. And equalize grid height, so this mismatch disappears. Alright. Heading font size will be 20. Font color, I'll change the font color to my brand color. Background is fine. Button color, I'll change the button color again to my brand color. And background, in fact, sorry, this is the font color, I'll keep it white. I'll change the button background to my brand color. I don't want this filter, so let's see if we could remove it. Yes, I'll remove this filter. Let's publish this page. Yeah, URL slug will be course page. Let's publish this page and see how the course listing page looks. And open it in an incognito window. Great. So this is our course page. Looks great. Let's click enroll now. And we'll go to the course page. Yes, click take this course, and yes, this page is blocked because we have not created the funnel yet. That will create in the next video. Okay, so that's about it. We covered the steps of creating a course listing page. We created the course grid, and we saw all the courses. All the courses that we created in one single page. Okay.
So that's about this video. In this video, we created the course listing page. So that was all about the fifth step in the LearnDash setup series. In the next video, I will show how you can create a funnel for selling your courses. After creating the funnel, we will test if the flow is working fine. Okay? So that's about this video. If this video provided you with value, please give it a thumbs up and share your feedback in the comments box below. And if you want to see content about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to receive updates as soon as I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.